Aerial reconnaissance confirms all Decepticon targets down.
They should have gone home when they had the chance.
Roger that. Nothing left now but nuts and bolts. We're really picking up the pace. That was one fast fight.
An audacious win, Autobot.
The human female has been captured at the refinery.
Once we have taken the Allspark, you may dispose of her as you wish. Grindr, some of us are not fully completing our objectives, including yourself.
Perhaps you should lead by example, rather than by flapping your mandible.
The female has escaped. Someone says that she and the fragment have both disappeared. It is time, then, for more extreme measures.
You are not alone. The Decepticons have arrived. You'll have to fight your way to Michaela. Check your radar for her location. There is no time for delay. Michaela and the fragment must be saved.
Optimus said you would come. God, thank you. Thank you, but be careful. These creeps keep trying to break in.
Wait. Michaela cannot yet be moved. It is still not safe.
Target in range. Fire it.
You did it! You saved me, and you saved the Allspark. I can't believe Sam stuck me with this thing. I'm gonna kill him.
Michaela and the Allspark fragment have reached safety.
And the boy? Sam?
Off at college. He hasn't heard a word about this, though I imagine he's about to get an earful from the female. Optimus has requested I run a scan on our operational infrastructure. Everything is within normal limits.
Then we must simply work harder to achieve all of our mission goals. Our fate and that of the planet depend on it. The Decepticons have just attacked a nearby oil refinery. Our presence is required.